Hi, my name is Nasir Hussain Benafizadin. I'm a student at City University in Master of Education, final semester. Today, I'm going to speak about educational leadership in technology with a title of Implement the Technology Integration Planning at Prince Language Center. First, I'm going to talk about the introduction. The concept paper which we are aiming is to outline a comprehensive plan for incorporation of technology into educational framework at Prince Language Center to reach a goal of enhancing teaching and learning experiences for students. Prince Language Center implementing the use of personal best book in a way of traditional teaching method with additional Richmond learning platform and on the go with the personal best language apps we call new technology integration from a traditional to a new technology integration. Whereas this platform comes with a different access code for every books, it can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play. I would like to explain regarding the Richmond Learning Platform. The Richmond Learning Platform offers students and teachers different digital environments, formats, and learning paths to achieve a school goals for their English programs. With the help of these evidence-based strategies, approach to learning, Richmond support institutions in the educational transformation, whereas Richmond solution offers a 100% digital learning format in online and offline. And the Richmond solution enhances the use of educational technology through a rich digital environment, which allowing the English language teaching and learning process to go beyond the classroom. This platform too is a features of the Richmond Learning Platform, and it is very versatile. And the difference of these ways of integrates with other platforms such as eStella, MyOn, Google Classroom, Teams, Zoom, and Meet. In this way, it facilitates interface with other digital environment. Whereas for teachers, there is a complete set of contents useful in class management tools and the mark book, which allow the teachers to monitor classwork. And mostly for the students can work with the contents synchronously and asynchronously through the digital ecosystem. The offline solution apps allow students to work asynchronously and without the need for an internet connection anywhere and at any time. Students which download the content to any mobile device with at least an 8-inch screen. As they finish practicing, students can connect to the web to synchronize their result, which are sent to teachers' workbook. The purpose of this concept. The purpose of this concept is actually to enhance student engagement, to fostering collaboration learning, developing 21st century skills, and customizing learning experience. In enhancing student engagement by utilizing technology is actually to create interactive and dynamic learning environments that captivate students' attention and stimulate active participation. In fostering collaboration learning, it's implementing tools and platforms to facilitate collaboration among students, encouraging teamwork and collective problem solving. Whereas today's world, the developing 21st century skills, integrating technology to equip students with skills and competency necessary for success in the digital age, including critical thinking, communication, and technologically literacy. We goes on further to customizing learning experiences, which tailored instructional strategy through technology to accommodate diversified learning style, allowing for personalized and adaptive learning experiences. Why? We go number one for student. It is a student needs where it is actually to personalize learning, accessibility and inclusivity, collaborative learning, and digital literacy. In personalized learning, students have diverse learning style and paces. Technology will facilitate personalized learning by providing adaptive learning platform and resources tailored to individual needs. Accessibility and inclusive. This technology addressing to diverse needs of students with disabilities. For instance, screen readers, speech to text software, and other assistive technologies can empower students with varying abilities. We go to the collaborative learning. Collaborative learning is actually crucial for skill in the 21st century, whereas technology facilitates collaborative learning through online platforms, virtual classrooms, and collaborative documents editing tools. And digital literacy. In today's digital age, student needs to be proficient in using digital tools. Technological integration also enhance digital literacy skill, preparing students for future challenges. Now we go to teachers' need. Also, we break into 4 in professional development, time efficiency, collaborative learning, data-driven decision. Teachers requires ongoing training to effectively integrate technology into their teaching practices. Professional development programs can address this need. We go to time efficiency. Teachers often face time constraint. We all believe into this. Technology actually can streamline administrative tasks, allowing educators to focus more on instructional activities. By collaborating learning, actually teachers requires a platform that enables seamless collaboration and communication among students, which training in managing virtual collaborative spaces and fostering online discussion is essential. Now we move further to data-driven decision making. Most of educators needs access to data analytic tools that will help them to track their student progress, identify the trends, and make informed instructional decision. Training in data interpretation is crucial for effective implementation. Now we go further to implementation strategies, and we broke down into 5 phases: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, and phase 5. Phase 1 would be to determine the relative advantages. In this phase, educators assess the potential benefits of integrating technology into their teaching, involving understanding how technology enhancing learning experiences for the students. This implementation of strategy in phase of conducting a thorough analysis of the advantageous technologies will offers compared to traditional method. Educators engage in professional development opportunity, will attend workshops, and stay informed about the latest educational technology. We go to decide on objective. When you can determine, then you have to ready for deciding for an objective. What is the objective? It is when you see the advantage of the technology integration, you recognize it, most of the educators will move on to setting specific objective for their instructional goals. These strategies in this phase involve aligning technology use with curriculum objective, considering the needs and interests of students and establishing clear learning outcome, which again collaborate with colleagues and sharing insight can help refine objective and ensure that they align with broader educational goals. Now I would like to explain about in phase 3 about designing integration strategy. In this phase, where the educators will develop a specific strategy, incorporating technology into their teaching. Again, will include selecting appropriate tools and resources, good planning activities that will leverage technology and considering diverse learning style. Again, professional development remains as an crucial in this phase to enhance educators' technologies and pedagogical skill. Collaborating with instructional designers or technology specialists can aid in creating effective integration strategies. We move on to phase 4. Now we will explain about prepare the instructional environment. When you go to phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, you have design, you are ready for environment. Preparing an instructional environment involves ensuring that the necessary infra, resources, support system are in place for the successful of certain technology integration. This is another strategy in this phase will include organizing training session for students, troubleshooting technical issues, creating a positive and inclusive learning environment. With ongoing support from administrator and technical staff is essential for us to forever maintain a conducive instructional setting. And we go to phase 5. After all the 4 strategies, we have to evaluate whether this is functional or not functional. First we evaluate, then we revise the integration strategy. We will continually revise and evaluate integral to the success of this technology integration. Most of the educators should regularly assess and effectively the strategies, collect feedback from students, analyze learning outcome. This strategy in this phase will include using formative assessment, soliciting student input, and participating in reflective practices. Whereas the data collected should inform revision to the integration strategy, ensuring continuous improvement. Now we go to gradual integration. Why we call it gradual integration? If you sudden attack a moment, it will be very painful. So we introduce gradually this technology either to the student and to the teachers. Gradual integration of technology into learning process actually is a sound approach that will align with the principle of effective educational technology integration, which allows educators to introduce students to technology in a scaffolded manner, ensuring a smooth transition and optimal learning outcomes. There is a researcher in year 1999, Altmer. He believed that gradual integration of technology supports the development of both educators and student technology skill. Where this approach acknowledges the varying comfort levels and familiarity that individual may have with technology, we'll start with simple and familiar tools such as basic productivity software or online resources, which will help build confidence of a particular individual and lays a foundation for more advanced technology application further. By this, we need the professional to be put into place into more professionalism, and we call it as professional development. In professional developments, plays a crucial role in preparing teachers to effectively integrate technology into their classroom. Offering comprehensive training and workshop is essential to familiarize educators with various technology tools and guide them in their effective use. Whereas this approach aligns with the idea that effective professional development is ongoing, interactive, and directly applicable to classroom context. Furthermore, this professional development should be an ongoing and reflective, allowing the teachers to continually refine their practices and stay abreast of emerging technology, which align with the idea of a community practice where educators collaboratively engage in learning and share insight and experiences. It was said by Wenger in 1998. In conclusion, I would like to address here that implication of implementing the technology integration planning, we call it TIP model, are far-reaching for educators and educational institutions, from fostering collaboration to emphasizing professional development and reflective practice. This TIP model, or in other way, the technology integration planning model, will provide a comprehensive framework for meaningful and purposeful technology integration. We will give a good remarks for students and for teachers. Thank you very much.